Sportsman Boats is releasing a new class of family-focused, water-centric all-fun boats. Today we have the world premiere of the Heritage 261. That's right, hull number 1. Let's step aboard to see what all the hubbub is about. So this is the beach mode version of this brand new boat. It's a totally versatile boat. You can fish it, you can spend the day at the sandbar. What makes it beach mode? Hey, see it right here. We have a forward-facing helm seat. Flip of the switch, you can turn it around, it can become rear facing, just like the aft seats do as well. Here's where this boat is really transformative. These rear seats on either side, they both have a 15-gallon live well glass top and glass front. Then it also is a forward-facing seat. You can remove this, step through to the transom. There's a ladder back here. You can also flip this around and make it a rear-facing seat when you're at the sandbar. And again, the beach anchor's right back here, twin ladders back here, right behind that 425 XTO. This boat is totally ready to fish. It has twin dive doors on it. It also has a rocket launchers, plenty of rod storage and rod holders everywhere you look. And it's got tackle storage underneath the helm seat. So let's talk about the leaning post area. Underneath the swiveling chairs is tackle storage, and then below that we have a beautiful Yeti cooler with the Sportsman logo on it. So when you're ready to relax on those aft seats, you can actually put your feet up and chill while underway. So let's talk about the performance of this boat. It has a 22-degree dead rise. It's got a 9.4 beam. It comes tricked out with Yamaha 425 XTOs. It'll push this boat 53 miles an hour and it'll cruise in the mid-30s. It also has a fuel capacity of 160 gallons. So this 261 Heritage comes in Explorer Blue. Hey, and we have the matching color right here underneath this hard top. And again, we have spreader lights on here, JL audio speakers. This one comes with a Fusion head unit. And of course, we have twin Garmin array up here to have all your telemetry. We have great visibility, full glass up here with a manual vent. Gives you great protection from the elements, and you can get a breeze as well. Here we are up in the bow, and this is where you want to spend the day in the sun because we have twin forward-facing loungers up here. We have a twin seat forward of the helm, and then we have this articulating table, which you can rise up and dine out for the evening. You can lower it down and fill it in with a cushion, so you can fill this whole area up here and capture all the sunlight available. And of course, underneath all these beautiful seats, there's plenty of storage. Here on the port side, we have access to the head, and there's plenty of space. And then down below, you have your ladder for your dive door. I think Sportsman absolutely hit this one out of the park. This 261 Heritage sandbar mode really checks all the boxes. If you're ready to fish it, you can, but really this was meant for a day in the sun. You need to check it out.